Welcome to Understand the Math. In this problem, we're given a lot of matrices. We are given A, B, C, D, and X, and we are told that they are n by n invertible matrices. What we're asked to do is to solve the following matrix equation for X. We're going to start this problem by writing down our equations. So we have A, X, B inverse, plus C is equal to D. Our strategy is going to be to isolate X on our left-hand side and have it all by itself. So we're going to begin by taking our matrix C and moving it to the right-hand side. So this gives us AX B inverse is equal to D minus C. Now, to isolate our X, we'll go ahead and highlight that. Let's go ahead and let's get rid of A first. So to get rid of A on the left-hand side, we're going to multiply by A inverse. So A inverse times A, X, times B inverse. Now, notice that we multiplied on the left side of our equation. We have to do that same thing on the right side of our equation. So we have to squish in A inverse on the left and multiply it by D minus C. This then becomes our identity, which is like multiplying by 1, and we can just get rid of it. So what we have left is X B inverse is equal to A inverse times D minus C. Now, what we're going to do is we need to find X all by itself. So we have to get rid of B inverse. To do that, we're going to multiply by B on the right. And we have to multiply on the right because the B inverse and the B have to be right next to each other. So we multiply on the right by B on the left side of our equation. So on the right-hand side of our equation, we also have to multiply by B. This is our identity. So we have a final answer, and we can say that X is equal to A inverse times D minus C times matrix B.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.